Okay, we are jumping right into this video, starting with Spanx. Y'all, genetics is working hard, but Spanx is working harder. Okay, this is one of three Spanx types that I'm going to share with you, and this happens to be my absolute favorite. Now, this one has legs. It's a very high-waisted Spanx. It has tight material at the stomach area, as you can imagine. The material is breathable. It is actually comfortable, but it is stretchy and it's gonna keep you sucked in. I understand that these products are a little on the pricey side, but you know what? You are actually getting what you're paying for. And with this one in particular, you don't get any bulging, which is what I love. So this is my favorite. This is the one I use daily. And I cannot complain with this. I highly recommend it. Okay, now this is the second Spanx type. This is a bodysuit. I haven't been reaching for this that often, to be honest with you, because it leaves some very weird lines and it does cause a little bit of bulging to the back where you see that it has straps, which I don't like. But it is, depending on the type of outfit you're wearing, it could be useful. So I wanted to share this one with you as well, but this is not my favorite. It's just okay. Now, the third one I absolutely do not like, and I regret buying it. I'm showing it to you and I'm sharing with you why I don't like it. So this is a high-waisted panty, same material as the other two, good for the stomach area, and if that's your only problem, then this may work for you, but it does bulge up a lot around the panty line area, and I do not like that. I've not been able to wear this successfully with any outfit, so I don't recommend this one at all. Okay, here I am in a very, very thin bodysuit or jumpsuit, and the material is so thin it's almost see-through. I wanted to use this as an example to share with you how the Spanx looks underneath. So this is Spanx number one. This is the one that I said is my favorite, high-waisted with legs. You don't really see any lines. I mean, you can see a little bit of the where the darkness stops, but that's about it. I think this is so comfortable and flattering. The second one now was the bodysuit, and I don't like this under this jumpsuit at all. Granted, the jumpsuit is see-through, which is the purpose of me using this as an example, but you can see the lines more pronounced here. You can also see along the bra area, the back strap is poking out, and that's uncomfortable for me. I don't like that. And then that little U-shaped part in the front, you can see that. And not just with this jumpsuit, but with so many other outfits I've tried to wear this with, you can just see it so clearly. It's so thick of wiring that I don't know, I don't like it. It's not flattering as much as the first one, so I don't really use this one as often. Now, here is me in the third option, which I have never been able to wear because it's absolutely terrible. Um, Listen, it may work for some people. Again, the tummy area, it does what it's supposed to do. I guess not as good as the first one in my opinion, but look at these lines, y'all. I cannot get over how terrible my bottom area is looking. I can't get over how terrible that bulge is from the panty line. It's like it's so constricted right there. It's very uncomfortable. I do not recommend this one at all. All right, moving right along. This tight and toned video is all about getting my cellulite, my stretch marks, my skin looking as good as possible. So I went to the spa and I got a tight and toned procedure done. Basically, what you're seeing here is me being wrapped in foil. Like I was wrapped in plastic, wrapped in foil, and before that, there were some potions put on my skin or rubbed into the skin that's supposed to help stimulate collagen production and help with the lines on my skin, the cellulite, the stretch marks, actually bring things in, like make me a little tighter. According to the esthetician, if I do this religiously, maybe once a month, I should see some results after a 4 to 6 week period. So I think I'm gonna to keep up with it because it was quite a comfortable experience. The esthetician was really working on me, like kneading my belly and my thighs. Like a little bit of dough, or like if you were kneading bread. But that's what we need, y'all. I want to get my skin tight, like it was before babies. So I really recommend this. If you are here locally, I can share with you the name of the spa and the esthetician and the service. And based on the first uh, visit, I think I saw a little bit of a difference. You're going to see towards the end, but I think there was something that happened. So, or maybe it's as a placebo, but regardless, I enjoyed the experience. After you get the first application and you sit for 20 minutes with the foil, you then have to go shower, and then you then put on the bed to do some more rubbing. But yeah, this is me after the spa visit. I swore my belly looked a little flatter. Like I swore it looked just a little bit fatter. I was happy. It was a good visit. So yeah, I'll be incorporating that into my glow up routine every month. Okay, now we're not at the spa, we're at my home in my bathroom, but this is the procedure that I've been doing weekly, almost daily sometimes when I remember, because again, I can't just rely on once a month visits to the spa. I need to make sure that I am consistent in my application. So I'm just going to breeze through the skincare regimen because that was already mentioned in a previous glow up video. But here I am doing my body brushing. I brush upwards. And I'm gentle around the belly area because my stomach is still a little sensitive. So I do that for a few minutes, and then I go in with this Kane and Austin face and body retexture scrub. It has glycolic acid and salicylic acid in there. It doesn't burn. It is a really nice consistency, and so I wet my skin just a little bit, and then I scrub that in. Again, I'm just going to skip through my skincare routine. If you didn't see the previous video, go watch that because I'm sharing all of the products that have been helping my skin glow postpartum. They really have been working. So I highly recommend everything that's in that video. Okay, but moving on to the body again, I'm showing you the nipple balm that I've been using since having the baby. Zayden is a much better latcher than Xavier was, so I'm still breastfeeding, and I'm very proud about that. So don't forget your nipple balm. Next, I'm going in with this cocoa butter skin oil. Y'all, I put this on pretty much daily in the morning before I put on my Spanx. I rub that in, and then I use either one of these firming creams. I put that on top of the oil on my belly, and then I rub it in on my thighs, and then I put on my Spanx. I swear the products just melt in my skin, and then the Spanx helps keep my skin tight and allow the products to just penetrate deeply throughout the day. So here I am, all nice and done for my skincare routine. I'm not going anywhere, but I want to feel glamorous. I'm putting on my perfume. I'm wearing a cute lounge outfit because you know what? As part of my glow up, I'm trying to feel best every day, and looking my best helps me feel good, so and also helps me be productive. So I'm working from home, I'm just watching the baby, but you know what, we're going to look cute doing that. So this outfit is from Fashion Nova. It's very comfortable, and I'm gonna get some more of these to look cute lounging around the house. Okay, I can't forget to mention my daily lemon water. I mean, I've talked about this so many times in previous videos, but vitamin C is essential to skin health, and this is also good for digestion, which is also good for your skin. Having good digestion helps your skin glow. So, yeah, I wanted to mention that. But moving forward with this glow up video, I am sitting down to create a vision board. So, as part of me wanting to glow up postpartum, I need to be energized, I need to be inspired. And I felt like since I'm on my laptop every day, every time I open up my laptop, it would be great to have a vision board that inspires me to keep going towards my goals, whatever those are, and refocus, if you will. So here I am using Canva, which is such a useful app, to create vision board for my home screen. I want to focus on travel, on having fun, uh, spending time with my kids, fitness, food. So that's what you kind of see here. I also have some inspo pics of the dream car that I want. Hey, Mercedes Benz, I'm coming for you very soon. I also want to focus on my food vlogging, my house renovations. So, all those kinds of things I want to keep in mind every time I get to work. So, that I'm going to be easily reminded of what it is I'm working for. Okay, this part of my glow up is something that I'm struggling with currently, but I am going to get there. And that is waking up before the household wakes up, mainly before the kids. So here I am waking up around 5:30. You know what? The house is quiet and I can use this time to work on myself. So whether that be exercising or planning my day, my week, or editing my vlogs, or reading a book, or journaling, or praying, whatever it is that I choose to do that day, I'm doing it in peace and solitude. And you know what? When I actually do wake up early before everyone else and get something done, I feel amazing. And it is the ultimate glow up, let me tell you. So get your day started before everybody else and watch yourself just glow. That's all I can say about that. Here, last but not least, is my glow up recipe. It is my smoothie that I've been drinking even while I was in the hospital. The minute I had my C-section, I started drinking this smoothie. And the reason being is because it's got excellent greens in there and collagen. There are very few protein powders that I swear by. This brand is one of them, and I really love the taste. So you can see the ingredients that I put in there. I also add blueberries and spinach to make sure that I'm getting the vitamin C content because, again, vitamin C and skin go hand in hand. And the benefits aside, y'all, this taste is absolutely delicious, period. So, anyways, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the last episode of my Glow Up series.